Welcome in today's class, student. Today we are going to discuss about the conservation of natural resources. Now we all know the importance of natural resources. They are available free of cost to us, but there are two types of natural resources: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources, they are present in our environment in an abundant form. ये एक huge amount में present हैं and they renew itself. That's why after certain period of time we will again get these renewable resources. But on the other hand, non-renewable resources, they get completely exhausted. ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, finish हो जाते हैं. So there is a need to conserve both the resources, whether natural resources which are of renewable form or which is of non-renewable form. Let us discuss some of the steps. Now, how can you help to conserve natural resources at home? We all know that we are in a lockdown period. आप स्कूल नहीं आ सकते हैं, you can't move outside your house. So at home you can take simple steps to conserve your environment or to conserve your natural resources. Let us discuss some of the steps or measures by which we can save our environment, save our natural resources, जिससे ये resources आने वाले generation को भी मिल सकेंगे. Planting trees. We all know that plants are very important. Again, plant, it gives us food, it gives food to animals also. So both human beings and animals depend on plant for their food. फूड के अलावा प्लांट से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलता है. दे प्योरीफाई द एयर इन द एनवायरमेंट and they gives us oxygen which is released during the process of photosynthesis. So there is a need to plant more and more trees. आप जितने भी प्लांट लगाएंगे आपका एनवायरनमेंट उतना क्लीन होगा. So this you can do at your home also. Don't waste water. Water is one of the most precious resource of nature which is given to us. We can't survive without oxygen and we can't survive without water also. Although the 3/4 portion of earth is water, but that doesn't mean that we can waste water, because potable water yani the water which is suitable for drinking, it is present on earth in a very less amount. बहुत कम है potable water. You can't drink water from the ocean directly because it is very salty. बहुत नमकीन होता है, खारा जिसे कहते हैं. तो आपको क्या करना है? You should take proper measures or care to save water. Now how can you do this? आप कैसे कर सकते हैं? Instead of taking shower, आप क्या करिए? Fill your bucket with water और उससे आप नहाइए. The remaining water which is left in the bucket, you can use that water to wash your clothes, or you can use that water for plants also. Then do not leave the tap open. आप कभी कभी ब्रश करते हैं and during brushing your teeth, some of you maybe आप टैप को ओपन छोड़ देते हैं. What does that means? That means you are not taking care of natural resource, water. आपको क्या करना है? Turn off the tap. जब ज़रूरत है आप तब उसको ओपन करिए. So please don't waste water and take care of others also. घर में जो member हैं, tell them also don't do this thing. Next is soil erosion. Now what is soil erosion and how we can stop this? Soil erosion means जो मिट्टी की ऊपरी लेयर होती है, the top layer of the soil, because of overgrazing by the cattle or some of the human activities like agriculture. जब हम खेती करते हैं या फिर जब कैटल जो होते हैं, काऊ, बफेलोज, ये जब बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरग्रेजिंग करते हैं यानी चरते हैं, it results in the removal of upper layer of the soil. Now deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. जब हम trees को cut करते हैं तो उनकी जो रूट्स होती हैं वो लूज़ हो जाती हैं एंड जो भी उसमें मिट्टी होती है वो उड़ के दूसरी जगह चली जाती है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सॉइल इरोजन. मीन्स जब सॉइल अपनी जगह से हटने लगती है. नाउ अ वेरी सिंपल एक्टिविटी और एन एग्जाम्पल, go to the garden and pluck some grass. आपको दिखेगा ग्रास के नीचे मिट्टी लगी हुई है. तो क्या हुआ? जैसे ही आपने उस ग्रास को प्लग किया वो मिट्टी उसके साथ, वो सॉइल उसके साथ आ गई. दिस रिजल्ट्स इन द रिमूवल ऑफ सॉइल फ्रॉम इट्स एरिया. तो ये है सॉइल इरोजन, जब मिट्टी की परत अपनी जगह से हट जाती है. We can check or we can stop this soil erosion by planting more and more trees and by not cutting down of trees. Next is do not cut forest. Human beings, as they depend on natural resources without thinking twice, they are using these resources. They are cutting trees, they are cutting forest. Why? Because that wood is used by the people in their houses for cooking, for making furniture, for making windows, door, etc. They are used by the contractors जो building बनाते हैं उसमें. So they are not thinking twice. दोबारा वो सोचते भी नहीं हैं दैट द कमिंग जनरेशन, क्या उनके पास ये रिसोर्सेज बचेंगे? नो, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट कंजर्विंग, वी आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टिंग, और दिस विल रिजल्ट इन exhaust of the natural resources. So we should stop cutting down of trees and we should not cut forest. Paper. Now you all are responsible that you should not waste paper. Sometimes I observed in classroom also, बच्चे पेपर टीयर करते हैं, they used to make balls, they used to make planes, और उसको डस्टबिन में थ्रो कर देते हैं. Are you a responsible person? No. अगर आप पेपर वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबल हुए? आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट पेपर इज़ मेड अप ऑफ ट्रीज. आप जितने पेपर वेस्ट करोगे यू आर गोइंग टू बाय अ न्यू नोटबुक, और वो न्यू नोटबुक किससे बनी होगी? ट्रीज. तो इसके लिए आपको पेपर मिले, ट्रीज़ को कट कर दिया जाता है। तो इट इज़ योर कॉल, you should not waste paper. Avoid pollution. Now there are many types of pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution. It is affecting our environment in many ways. You already know the causes of different kind of pollution. Air pollution because of the smoke produced by the factories, because of the vehicle which we are using, it also produces a lot many gases. So we should think twice before using these resources. Soil pollution because of the mixing of harmful chemicals in it, and by using fertilizers we are responsible for these types of pollution. So avoid all kind of pollution, otherwise we will fall sick and our mother earth will fall sick. Use public transport. Why? Now we are in a situation of COVID-19 कि हमें avoid करना है public transport को, but once situation normal हो जाती है तो you can use public transport instead of using your own vehicle. This will result in less usage of fuel. Fuel is a non-renewable resource. पेट्रोल, डीजल, ये सब क्या हैं? ये नॉन रिन्यूएबल हैं. तो अगर आप उन्हें ऐसे वेस्ट करेंगे तो इट विल गेट एग्जॉस्ट. सो you should not use your own vehicle अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी ना हो. You can walk also, you can use bicycle to reach place near to you और जितना possible हो सके. So these are some of the steps. Now one is save energy, save earth. Now how can we save the energy? By turning off the light, fan, AC or any other electrical equipment. जब भी आप घर से बाहर निकल रहे हैं और जब यूज़ नहीं है, switch off the electronic items like your computer, charger, television, cooler, AC, bulb. There are in charges in the class also. आपके classes में in charges होते हैं. They are responsible to switch off the light and fan, but that doesn't mean it is the responsibility of only the light and fan in charge. ये आप सबकी responsibility है to save energy. So these steps are very easy which you can take at your home also. Bring your own bag. Means whenever you are going for shopping or buying anything, you should carry your own bags. And which kind of bag? One which is reusable. Cloth bag or jute bag. This will result in reduction in pollution. Protect wildlife, protect future. We human beings, we also depend on wildlife for our food also, then many other things. So there is a need to protect these animals. We get wool, we get meat, we get medicines also from the animals. So it is our responsibility to conserve our natural resources like plants, animals, minerals, बिकॉज़ आने वाला टाइम ऐसा है जिसमें कि हमारी जनरेशन को, कमिंग जनरेशन को ये चीज़ें अवेलेबल नहीं होंगी, नहीं मिलेंगी. I hope the topic is clear to you all. Thank you everyone.